G'day, and thank you for taking the time to click on this page to find out some more information about our upcoming AI workshops. Now, I assume that you want to be able to simplify and transform your business with AI. I'm Adrian from Using Technology Better, and I'd love to invite you to our half-day workshops on how to actually use this tool in our workspace. We would love to demystify what AI is and how it can be used in your context. Now, we've all seen things on the web about how we can use ChatGPT to write a witty poem or create some sort of image. But how do we transfer that into the workflows that we have in our current business structures? So what we'd love to do is look at your processes and help you look at where you can actually slot in AI to make those processes more efficient, save time, and empower your staff to do the things that they need to do even better. So we would love to take you on that journey on processes, application of AI, and then turning what you normally do now into something that's even better. We would love to give you the strategic advantage to be able to equip you and your team to be able to take these tools to a higher level. Now, AI will not replace what we're doing, but it will enhance what we're doing so that you can become even better at the roles that you have. So you might want to be analysing big sets of data. You might be trying to work out how to actually manage your time better. You might want to look at how a meeting can be sorted and organised using AI, or even breaking the back of one of those big spreadsheets where you need to find information and data from it. We've all had that thing of coming back from a holiday, opening up our emails and being overwhelmed. How can we use AI to refine what we read and set up an action plan so we become more efficient at what we do? Now, these are just the tip of the iceberg of what we can do to make AI in our workspace practical, applicable to what we do, and therefore enhancing the roles of people inside our business, making us more efficient, and therefore being on that leading edge of what we can do with this new tool. So I'd love you to come along and join with us on these workshops. Don't let complexity hold you back. Embrace AI and propel your business forward. I look forward to seeing you there.